Hey everybody, so we have a disassembled Hoover Spectrum Elite style machine here. The Spectrum name I can't ever recall being put on an upright before. I obviously know there were several Spectrum canisters, like a bottom to top of the line run of those, but I'd never seen a Spectrum upright before, or Spectrum labeled upright. At first when I seen the picture of this, because it was a friend of mine that found this while scrapping, driving around in their truck and all that good stuff, and of course they knew to look out for quality vacuums for me. And I sent a picture, and I seen like that design is the same. That this bag door and top half are the same design as my Preferred. So I'm like, oh cool, it's just I glanced at it real quick while I was driving. And I'm like, oh cool, it's a different color Preferred. You know, that's pretty cool. I have a Preferred, but I didn't have one in, it looked black at first, because I know they made a black I think they made a black Preferred. But anyway, so I thought it was a Preferred at first. I didn't look at the picture, and I'm like, Spectrum? Never heard of that. So anyway, here this beauty is, about to get cleaned up. There is the culprit for why they threw it out. I figured it out real quick. I was standing around talking to them, so I took the bag door off to see there was no bag in it, and the bag compartment was like spotless. So I'm like, well, that means they either clogged something in it and then tried to, and the screw to the holds the top half to the bottom half was loose. So I'm like, well, they must have tried to fix it, which means they've got something stuck in there, or the fan is in fact bad. Because I mean, I know usually when or 99 times out of 100, when you blow the fan on one of these, it busts the pulley side motor mount. But this one was perfectly fine, so I'm like, well, it's probably got a good fan. But sure enough, popped the top half off the thing to see if there was any obstructions in there, and saw the busted fan. I could have swore I had an extra fan sitting around from the replacement motor I got, or from the old motor in my Elite 350 that just finally got a replacement. But I just looked at the motor, which is up on the shelf up there in the garage here, and there's no fan on it. So knock on wood, there's a fan in one of my drawers of parts in the house, which I'm about to go check. But I'm going to polish this thing up now. The brush roll bearings got all cleaned out and re-greased, and that's all ready to go. So as soon as I get a fan on this thing, polish the hood and polish the bag door, it'll be ready for a running video and joining the ranks, standing next to the Preferred, if possible, to place it there. So thought I'd share that with you now, and when this thing is put back in one piece, running and ready to roll, we'll have another video.